Hey you guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning back in with me. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, this is just going to be a kind of quick, I'm going to try to make it as quick as possible, but like a gypsy slash faux lock tutorial on how I do it. I like going and getting my hair done professionally, but I also like trying styles out on myself, especially if I feel like I could do it. So, yeah, I watched a few videos. I will tag them below just to, see what was the easiest and quickest way possible to do it. I like how Ivy showed how she did the method of like wrapping the curly hair like around the ends. I caught myself, trying to do it. It might not be like identical, but it was a pass for me. I got compliments. I liked it, and I think I did pretty good for it being my first time. I would say in total it probably took me, I did pull an all-nighter, and I started late, plus I was on and off watching TV and everything, so it probably took me like 8 hours. But honestly, if you're a quick braider or whatever, or like you know what you're doing, then it might be like quicker, then who knows. But and I want to say I have 30 something braids, locks, whatever. So yeah, I have had this style in for I want to say 3.5 weeks now. I'm taking it out today. I just had to finish this last part of the video, but if you can see, like, you see it's frizzy. I kind of like the frizzy look, but I'm also like over it and I'm ready to take it down. But I know y'all can see like how my roots are just, they might look crazy, but I don't care. I just want y'all to see how everything was holding up and how long it is. So if you guys like this style, if you want to see how I did it, then keep watching. Okay, you guys, so we're getting started. These are the gypsy or faux locks that I got off of Amazon. I'm just showing y'all my braids and my parts. I definitely didn't care about them being that straight for this look. And with the crochet hook, and I'm just grabbing that loop on the faux lock, because all the faux locks have like a loop on the beginning of each one, and I'm just stretching it out so that I can pull the braid through. Now I'm getting a piece of that kinky or passion twist hair, because that's what I'm going to use to like cover up the braid. And I'm just going to wrap that literally all the way, not all the way down, just mostly to cover up my braid and maybe a little after that. So yeah, I'm starting it at like the root of my hair. I'm holding one end with one hand, and then with my free hand, you're gonna see I'm about to start wrapping it around. It's really easy, just literally wrapping it, just keep wrapping it around. I'm gonna come a little closer so you can see it is super easy. I'm just, like I said, wrapping it around, and I don't know if you can tell, hopefully you can see I'm trying to leave like a little gap or space every time I wrap it so that the whole lock isn't super stiff if I'm just wrapping the hair so tight together. Okay, so after I pretty much covered up my braid and a little after that, I just snipped off the extra piece, and I'm gonna wrap the rest because it just blends in super easily. So just wrap it down until it won't go anymore. You won't be able to notice. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how to do it one more time. I don't know about y'all, but I'm definitely a visual learner, so And this was kind of confusing to me, so I feel like seeing it helps more. If you can tell, but the hand where I'm holding my natural braid in the faux lock, I'm also holding the other end of the passion twist hair, which I made way shorter, and I'm just covering that up as I wrap the hair around the braid in the faux lock. Don't judge me, y'all. I know it may look a little messy here, but at that point, I didn't care. I was just tired and ready to be done. Plus, I was going for the more messy, natural look, so I didn't want each lock being like super perfect anyway. The curly hair that I ended up having to order. I was going to use an old wig, but the color was too light, so I just cut a piece from the bundle, and I'm using some nail glue, and I just wrapped it a piece around, and I'm holding it tight until it feels secure enough. So then I cut a piece of that passion twist hair, just a small piece, and I'm wrapping one end towards one way, and then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna use the other loose end and wrap towards the opposite way. And this is the method that I got from Ivy, which I liked it. It was easy. So I'm just cutting off that top piece of the curly end that I wrapped on it, because it'll be like a little piece you have to cut off once you're done with everything. And that's the final look, good enough for me. So these are the final results. Like a week later, I wanted to show y'all what it looked like after I put the ends on them. But thank you for watching.